Hi there. How a company dispose of or sell its account receivable, the debtors. First of all, let's look at why a company do this. There are two reasons. Either, in fact, first of all, it is the only way or the only source of cash, of money. The bank refused to give me that money. I cannot buy on a credit from the creditor or supplier. So it is a way to bring some cash to the business, to grease the wheel of my business. So this is one way. Or the other reason is that it is, in fact, I find it costly and time consuming and it is a headache to collect my money from my receivable. So the way to ease my life is to sell it or to sell my debtors. And remember here, good debtors only will be accepted. Of course, other company will not accept any debtor or any account receivable. They will accept the good, say, debtor or my good debtors or my good account receivable, usually, of course, at lower cost. Let's assume that my debtor cost 10,000. Definitely, they will not pay me 10,000. Let's assume they will pay me, let's say, 9,500 or 600 or whatever. So therefore, I'll sell it at lower price because I need the cash, because it is the only source of cash, because collecting, let's say, my money from my debtors, from my customers, from my account receivable is headache and it is costly. Now, the city or but sometime instead of selling it to other company, now we can sell it to bank or finance company. And of course, it is usually more professional and more even profitable. This type of finance, we call it factoring or factoring the account receivable. And of course, sorry, for the company, it is in fact, let's say, a method or a way of cash management or to controlling that cash. Okay, so therefore, I need the cash. I have to sell my account receivable to a factoring company or to a factor or a finance company or a bank, usually again at the high price, at lower price. And the difference between the cost and the money I get, it is called the interest or what this service charge interest, usually they call it service charge interest. So I'll get less money, but it is good for me because I need the cash. You say I want to continue my business, so I accept that. I'll get my cash, and the bank will benefit because, of course, he will buy them for lower price or lower cost. And in this case, usually there are two ways. Either the bank or the finance company take the responsibility. They will look after the account receivable. Whether they pay them or not, it's up to them. So I will be out of the situation. Or there is another agreement that the bank say, okay, I'll buy it from you, but you have to take the administration to collect the debtors. Okay, then we will debit your account by the amount collected. In this case, usually the service charge will be lower because I'll take the responsibility of collecting the money. But at the end of the day, I say, yes, you can sell your account receivable, you can dispose your debtors, and it is good way of managing your cash. Thank you very much.